Tennessee Tornado is one of my favorite rides at Dollywood. Let's take a look. The Tennessee Tornado opened on April 17, 1999 and was the first major coaster to come to Dollywood with 2,682 feet of track at 163 feet high with multiple inversions, a drop of 128 feet. The coaster has a top speed of 63 miles per hour, a G-force of 3.7, and lasts only 1 minute 48 seconds. Each train can hold 28 riders. When the coaster was made, it cost $8 million, but today it would cost a lot more. 1,360 riders per hour with a 110-foot loop. This ride is for all thrill seekers. So next time you're at Dollywood, be sure to add this to your must-do list. Have you rode Tennessee Tornado? Let us know in the comments section below what your thoughts are. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell icon, and until next time, get out and live your next adventure.